Hey everyone, Tony Gentilcore here from Boston, Massachusetts here at Core. Really quickly, I want to talk about the squat. We all know there's a lot that we need to consider with the squat and its proper execution. One area that I think gets overlooked quite a bit, myself included not too long ago, is just looking at the toes. So when somebody is squatting, whether it's a goblet squat, whether it's a back squat, whether it's a front squat, watch what their toes are doing, in particular their big toe. If they're squatting down and their toes come off the floor like so, whether it's a little bit, whether it's an inch, you can rest assured that they're losing their core position, they're losing stability. So when somebody's either coming down into the hole or they're coming out of the hole and you see that big toe come up, they're cranking right into that lower back and they're losing that canister position. Pelvis is going to point one way, rib cage is going to point the other way, and we're losing a lot of stability in the lift. So what we want to do is think about foot pressure. So I want to think about heels staying down, yes, I want weight in the heels, but I also want weight in the big toe and I want weight in the middle, in the small toe. So as we're executing the squat, we're going to find that even weight distribution, we're going to find that foot pressure, we're going to cement the feet down, and we're going to execute our squat. So we need a keener eye on people's toes, in particular the big toe. We want that to stay down when we squat.